I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is ARForms. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select an action Kirim email. Give here a username and API key. Now go to the Kirim email dashboard. Then click on the account setting. API token. View token. Copy the token and paste it into the integration site. Give here your username. Go to the Kirim email site, copy the username, and paste it into the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Select a list. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Kirim email dashboard. Navigate to the lists. Subscribers. Here, you can see that the data has been successfully received. Thanks for watching.